Good evening friends, my name is Ashish Nandakishore Patil. Our today's video topic is what is checked and what is unchecked exception, and our today's date is 3 September 2021. So today we are exploring the types of checked and unchecked exception. Let's see through our snippets also. So what is check, what is exception first of all? So exception is nothing but an unwanted, unexpected event may occurs is called as an exception. So there are two types of exception will be there, that is checked and unchecked exception. So checked exceptions are consist of input output exception, that is IO exception, and next to that of is a SQL exception. So these are nothing but the checked exceptions. And what are the unchecked exceptions? So there are lots of unchecked exception, that is arithmetic, that is first null pointer exception. Next to that of is array index out of bound exception, string index out of bound exception, arithmetic exception. So these are nothing but the unchecked exception. So let's see for example for that. So first of all we see the arithmetic exception. So suppose suppose there is a class, that is if a student is a class. So in that class first there is a try block. Inside the try block I have print, that is in system output, that is sysout I have given, that is 9 by 0. So 9 by 0 is nothing but an arithmetic exception, we know. So for that I in try block I have written, that is in sysout 9 by 0, and in catch block I have catch the exception and print the message, that is arithmetic exception. So at the time of compiling the code, it will print, it will shows the message on the console that it is an arithmetic exception. Suppose you haven't used the try and catch block, and directly in this result you have put the exception, that is 9 by 0, so you will be get that arithmetic exception also. So next to that of is an null pointer exception. So what is null pointer exception is, so first if in the string or an array, if in the string that is Ashish will be given or nothing will be given, let's see nothing will be given in the string. So when the program gets executed, it will be shows, that is null pointer exception. So next to that of is, let's see the string index out of bound exception. So what is actually string index out of bound exception is, suppose in first we have given that in a string Ashish will be there, and we will put this string in try block. So what happened if in try block we have given that string is equals to Ashish, and I want the index of 10th. So in catch block I have simply given that as that is a string index out of bound exception will be given, so it will be print the message, that is string index out of bound. So this is nothing but a string index out of bound exception. So next to that of is a array index out of bound exception. So what is actually an array index out of bound exception is, suppose in an array 1 2 3 4 5 6 will be there, and I want index of 8th element of an array. So in and all these we will be given in our try block, and we will print in that in catch block we will print, that is in sysout we will be given, that is string index out of bound exception, array index out of bound exception. So it will be print that also. So these are nothing but the checked and unchecked exceptions. So first, so these are nothing but the checked and unchecked exceptions. So Thank you so much, guys, and have a good day to all. Thank you.